it is technically day 12 of harvest for me, although I worked all day for Tractor Supply Company, and then at 5 o'clock I ran out to the field and got this bean wagon and took it to the elevator for Chris. But the beans are pretty wet. They're like 13.3, and I think a lot of the rest of just a little field is all that's left of beans, or two little fields, and I think they're just really, really green or yellowish, and so they'll be too wet to cut. So I think Chris is thinking about switching the combine back over to corn, and the corn is probably pretty wet too, but maybe it'll be 19 or 18 or something like that we can just keep going on, and we'll see what happens with that. Or maybe it'll be too wet and we'll just have to stop. But this is my last day because tomorrow at lunch, Sandy and the girls and I are headed back to Nashville. Although I sent that moisture to Chris, the 13.3 bean moisture to Chris, as soon as I got on the scales at the elevator, and I haven't heard back from him. So maybe he's going to keep cutting the beans at that moisture. So we'll see. I'm in the field now, and he hasn't switched the head. He's not up here switching the head out. So it's sitting right there. We'll see what's going on when we get to the back of the field. Maybe he's still in beans. Nope. I don't know if you can see him, but he's over there switching. He's pulled up to the cart, getting ready to take the bean head off. So he's switching back to corn.